Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and here we will see a bunch of toggles. Now we have several pages to them, so just swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Obviously we're looking for a screen recorder, which for me it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It will give you an overlay on the bottom which you can move around. We have the record folder, which takes us to basically all the screen recordings that we have captured, settings, and close option. In the settings you can customize the exact parameters of your screen recordings, like the resolutions, frame rates, and all that stuff. Anyway, let's select record. Now once you stop the recording, it will automatically get saved. Now I did open up Netflix for a very particular reason, as it comes pre-installed on decent amount of devices nowadays, and it's a great example of what companies shouldn't be allowed to do, yet they can, because why not? So let's go into our photos. If I can find it, there we go. Or we can also close this. Not going to be backing it up, and you should be able to see your screen recording at the front. Let's see if we have also anything. Okay, so on here, screen recordings are unfortunately being saved to camera, which isn't very good place, as finding them later on, at least in your Photos application, will be a little bit of a cumbersome task. But luckily, like I mentioned before, we do have the option to open it up in the folder, and in here you'll find strictly all the screen recordings and nothing else. So this will be the more beneficial area to look for. So now I'm gonna just play it back, and you can see playback. Now you can see it starts up, gives you a logo, and then that's basically where we had a bunch of content visible, which is no longer, because Netflix just decides to show you a middle finger and tell you that no, you won't be using your device this way because we don't want you to use it this way. So a company that has their application, that for instance comes pre-installed with a device on your device, restricts you from using your device the way you want to in this specific application. Now, that being said, I am going to explain this a little bit further, just so there's no misconception. I am kind of shitting on Netflix for this, but let's be honest, they're not the only one, and the feature itself was designed for security reasons. So if you have something like a bank application, and you have some malicious app that is trying to spy on your device, maybe gain access to your password and all that stuff, this kind of thing would basically prevent it from happening, because said application wouldn't be able to see your bank application at all. All it would see is basically what you did, which is a black screen. So this only functions obviously with screen recordings. For you, the screen will be visible when you're using it normally, as you've seen the Netflix when I was recording it. Just on the playback, you can't. Now, so that is designed for security reasons, which it works that way. But most applications tend to use this in a more malicious intent, like Netflix or a bunch of other applications, where they just use it as a go F yourself kind of thing. And there's nothing you can do about it. There's no settings in here that would allow you to disable this. So just know that when you find such a screen recording, you're basically stuck with it, and you have no control over your own device in this case. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.